Good PM, ngayon po ay Thursday, September 28, 2023 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2PM result ngayong Thursday, September 28, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2PM. 3D Lotto 2PM result ngayong September 28, 2023, Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2PM. 'See you again later for 5PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, September 28, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 9 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 88 million pesos for September 28, 2023, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2PM video for afternoon of Thursday, September 28, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.